Welcome to El.Judge TV, where of course I am El.Judge, and this here is my TV. Now, if you can, make sure you hit like, leave a comment, and hit repost. It helps your boy out. And please hit subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Now, today we're going to do a reaction to a Bobby Hemmitt video. I saw a few seconds of this video, and then I had to shut it down and be like, man, you know what? We're going to do this on El.Judge TV. So it's a 7-minute video, so we're going to get as much of it done as possible. So with that being said, let's jump right into it.
When you first came on the planet, you had a body of light. Then you start gradually getting into the physical body, because that was a part of the grand experiment. Now, once you went into...
Let's stop that right there. Okay, you know I'm not down with this technology stuff so well, but he said when you came to the planet, you came here as a light body. Now, actually, you came in here, and she's right, and I'm just adding on to it. We came here in a invisible wave form at first. Well, we existed as an invisible waveform at first. He's talking about the beings that came here that we called Etherians. They would look something like this here. They were beings. They were these translucent beings, and then they started to form as an anthropomorphic body, but they were still light beings. He's talking about those beings coming first, but actually, I don't know if he's talking about them in this form when they started to transform toward the physical, or he was just talking when they were just pure light beings. But we've heard this story before. They started here, light beings. They started to form into these anthropomorphic bodies, and they became these carbonated beings as time went by, and then they became these walking gods who were still mystical and magical. Now let's continue. Now, sorry about that, man, but let's continue.
The physical body, your psychic abilities was open, and you did not deal with what you call analytical ability. You dealt with cosmic memory. All you had to do between the age of 1 and 5 is remember all what you had previously had in your other life or what you came on the planet. That's cosmic memory. The physical world was dim, like a fog, because it was just new. It was just coming into action. And the spiritual world was clear. So that means you can communicate with all the brothers and sisters who did not have the physical.
This physical world was being processed through our imagination. That's why he said it was dim. It was kind of like foggy, you know what I'm saying? Because we were still visualizing what we're going to deal with, the creation of this stuff. We were in the creation of this doggone dense reality. But let's continue.
Bodies based on, there were certain people had to be put in a certain experiment. Okay? Then the physics, as the vibratory rate went went down. As the vibratory rate went down, the physical world the spiritual world started disappearing, and the physical world came more clear. And your spiritual center shut down. All of your third eye, your chakras, and all of that stuff is shut down. And so what happened was you became entrapped, imprisoned in a spiritual body.
Remember, go back and watch that video I did about the demiurge. He's telling you how we created the demiurge. Now let's continue.
You're doing your time on earth. You're doing your time right in this jailhouse. You see what I'm saying? Where you reduce the spirit to the flesh. Okay? Now, at that time, you were all gods. Is it not written in your law that ye are gods? Now, in one of it, they say you are the sons of God, then you are heirs of God. That's in the Bible. And if heirs of God, that means joint heirs with Jesus Christ, which means you're the same as him. He just so happened to be a brother that raised himself up to the spiritual level as an example for you to raise yourself up. And he says, what? Just as I have done great work, greater works you shall do. You understand what I'm saying? So the whole thing is becoming God. Okay? Now, so
that's what we're going into right now. You're becoming these Christ-like beings. Your cosmic memory is starting to become more clear. This is why we have this is why we are exposing the things that 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 give us evidence that are showing us who we are. We're getting a overstanding of who we truly are because we are becoming these cosmic beings. But when it comes to everything has this polar opposite. As we are becoming these Christ-like beings, there are those who are what you would consider as antichrist. They're here to try to disrupt you from becoming this. Let's continue.
Spiritual center shut down, and as a result, you became trapped in this physical body, and your ancient mystery systems, your schools around the world was put in order to bring you up out of the physical back to the spiritual. But you would be able to have a physical body to function on this realm as well as the access to the spiritual.
And I know y'all get mad at me stopping, but this is why I gave that speech about secret societies, how secret societies were a must because they were trying to remove our spirituality. They tried to demonize and make it illegal for you to become these spiritual beings that you are becoming right now. And they tried to remove the spirituality and make you more religious, make you look outward. So then we had to start going underground, and then we had to start creating spiritual systems to hide within these religions that they were creating. Let's continue.
All right. You understand what I'm saying? And this was the role of your society, and most of the societies was psychic and spiritual. Now, you got to understand this because the reason why you are trapped with the false prophet, the white man, is because you think that the physical structures that you see out here are more conducive to the white man, and you think that they are more superior. At the particular time when you had all of the spiritual things, you didn't need much of the physical. That's why I often wonder, well, why you can have an Egypt over here with all the physical, and the rest of Africa don't have this stuff. You understand what I'm saying? Because at one time on the planet, you didn't need those physical things because the physical things is based on your spiritual centers are shut down and you need more physical things to function.
Ego.
You understand what I'm saying? The more spirit you have, the less physical things you need to function. And I know it's true because the same thing with me. I used to be highly materialistic in college and all that. You know, the whole thing I want to go get my $1 million and all that kind of thing here. Now and stuff, I've become so immersed in stuff, I got to check myself and shit. I'm about to become a hermit. And I mean,
this is what you call the John the Baptist phase, when you get to the point to where you could damn near become a hermit and you just slip away out of society, and then you start to emerge yourself within the spirit, and this physical world becomes less necessary. Now there you have to maintain a certain type of balance because you could lose it. Like you could lose it in this phase. You have to be careful, but everyone goes through it. If you're on the spiritual path, you're going to go through this phase that he described.
I'm homo and stuff, because I literally don't, I used to go in the mall. I used to go in the mall and just say, man, Dad, I got to get the money. Look at all this bad shit up in here. You know, like that.
Right.
Who's that cop?
Right.
You see? But now and stuff, if I had the money, I wouldn't know what to do with it because I'm not into that stuff no more.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That's when you see the dead people in the mall every damn day. They're shopping and all that kind of stuff. You're supposed to be eating, really, you know what I'm saying? Get you something to eat, and that's an acquired taste, acquired condition. You know?
Hey, if you seen the movie Night of the Living Dead, and they were on top of the mall, and he asked the question. He said, well, why do the zombies keep coming to the mall? He said, well, why does the Walking Dead keep coming to the mall? He said, because that's basically what they're used to. So they're just going to their normal places. Hey, man, shout out to Brother Bobby, man. Brother Bobby and Brother Panic, they helped me out a lot because back in the days, I had the knowledge of Baphomet, but it was still taboo to talk about that. You know what I'm saying? So I had my mouth shut. I ran into Brother Panic on MySpace, and he started dropping Baphomet knowledge, and then we started going back and forth, and then then the thing started opening up, and then more people started asking questions, and we were able to get that conversation into the mainstream of the conscious community. Thanks a lot, brothers. I appreciate y'all for that. Let's continue.
But get you something to eat, something divine and something, you know what I'm saying, righteous. And, you know, and if you got a mate and stuff, hell, you don't need that now. You see what I'm saying? A roof over your head and some heat and the sun in the winter and all this kind of stuff here. You don't need nothing else. The more you depend on the cracker stuff, the more the cracker got you.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? Now, you fell into a physical, and then you started running the physical. And you started running the physical. You say, so now the spirit said, well, if you're going to run the physical, we're going to run the physical on a divine level, whereas we can have a balance in society and it's going to be divine even on the physical.
Balance.
So you built things to acquiesce the spiritual. So you built things to manifest the spiritual. If it wasn't spiritual, you didn't build them. Okay? Atlantis came, you did these things. Had a few little things where you started experimenting, you blew up that place.
All right, man. I'm gonna stop right there because the people on TikTok, they won't be able to see this video, but the people on YouTube, they will be able to see the whole thing. Now, let me when he says cracker, you know what I'm saying? I use the word too in my privacy, but I'm human though. But he's talking about man-made crap. You know what I'm saying? How we fell into the acceptance of man-made stuff as if it's important. And that's how they got us, you know what I'm saying? But man, hey, this is a great video. Go and find this video. So as a matter of fact, spiritual versus physical. Bobby Hemmitt. Go watch this video, man. And as a matter of fact, man, I may leave it right down there in the link. Hey, peace and blessings, man. I hope I didn't talk too much. I'm out.